And I mean, like let's just talk a little bit more now. Let's delve deeper into end user computing. The reality is that COVID, there's been a lot of, you would know better than anyone, all the work and discussion on end user computing over the years. And then COVID came, and then this whole concept of end user computing became a very big thing that, a lot more people are sensitive to today than ever before. So where's end user computing today? What are your high level thoughts?
I mean, I don't think COVID changed the definition of anything. To me, from a more diving deeper into end user computing, we're managing laptops and desktops for our users. We're also managing mobile devices for our users. Both of these devices might be owned by the company or might be owned by the employee. We're managing applications for the users, which involves Windows apps. It involves web applications. Some are internal, some are public SaaS applications. We've got things in the cloud. We've got things on-prem. We've got, we're trying to run like intelligence and analytics and databases and all this kind of stuff. This is no different than IT's always sort of been. The real sort of the biggest thing in end user computing, I think, right now is for us to understand that our users are humans. Which is kind of like we are geeks in IT. Like my user is just an icon on my Active Directory console. I deleted 10,000 of them. Oh, sorry. But it's, but like we actually realize that these are actual humans. And like what Bernard was saying earlier when he talked about, hybrid work, there's a hybrid work style. Like we have to understand that it's some users are going to want to work at home always, like me. Some users are going to want to work in the office always because they got 2 kids at home. Some users are going to want the hybrid thing. And so we don't want to have to design for hybrid or this or that. It's just make it like so everything works everywhere. And that's the same thing with end user computing, right? So like from the facility standpoint, we're like just let users work wherever they need to. If they're here, they move away, different country, whatever, just figure it out. That's what end user computing is about now, is that all these people as human users using whatever device they want anywhere in the world, and they got to be able to talk to each other and use all their applications and get their data, and everything needs to work and be secure, and they all need to be happy. And like that's what end user computing is. And it wasn't that popular in the past because it was just like desktop support essentially. But now we just don't work in buildings and our desktops fit in our pocket. But that's what end user computing is to me, and that's what this industry is we're starting to say let's really enable our users to do anything, anytime, anywhere. And that sounds like such a marketing scheme, but like real companies are doing that all over the world.